Let's. Oh. You. Let's start. You have stuck muscles here. It's a muscles levator scapula and here. These muscles start here and finish here. And this too. Okay. Today I work with your neck and I work with your lower back. Because all your problems start here. And how many times in a week you have headache?
Oh,
Do you have headache?
3 times minimum.
3 times a week? Oh my God.
Especially when I go out for buying something.
Mm-hmm.
When I am exposed to the sunlight.
Mm.
Oh, crazy.
Okay. Oh. Right now painful, is it? Yes, I know. Because you have stuck muscles. Okay. Right now it's a dynamic cupping massage. It's painful, I know, but try to tolerate. 1 second. Yes. 5 seconds, okay? I know it's very painful. If you wanna cry, cry. Don't you cry tonight. Yes. Okay. And you must remember, massage give you 85% of result. If you, I think you saw YouTube
Yes.
video, and you know in YouTube you saw a lot of people chiropractic. They do only chiropractic without massage. You know it's a very big cheating because they don't want work. They do only connects.
Yes.
But your muscles need work, need massage. Okay. How do you feel? And let's start. It's a cupping massage. Cupping massage before chiropractic. After 2 minutes, you will relax. If you wanna sleep, okay.
No. Oh my God.
Try to tolerate, okay?
Yeah.
Right now, first 1-2 minutes, you feel big pain. You wanna kill me, I know. But after, you feel better. I'm professional. I work. I use this method more than 13 years. I work 13 years. Right now I have 14 years. I work 14 years. And I have medical education. You feel good? Yes, I know you hate me. And you feel good?
Yeah, it's okay.
And I put 2 cans in this place because it's your main problem zone. Okay, 6 minutes, okay? Okay, let's start.
Yes.
Inhale, exhale, and relax maximum. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Good? Inhale, exhale, and relax maximum. Oh. You feel good?
Amazing.
And maximum relax, okay? Maximum relax. Inhale, exhale, exhale. Cool, yes? Okay, inhale, exhale, and relax. Relax, relax. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and relax maximum. Relax, relax. Go. And relax. Relax now, you like. Relax. Cross your fingers. Inhale, exhale, and relax. Relax. Good. Okay, my friend. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, relax your neck. Inhale, exhale, and maximum. Oh.